The homie done got his handlebars put on here. We here to pick this bike up. We made it here to pick this bike up. Look at him. He got all his pegs on. He ain't even tell me about all this. He got his whole hookup. He got the whole doggone footboard set. And he ain't tell me about it. It's cool though. Dude, you ain't even tell me you got the whole footboard set.
Just trying to make a surprise.
Wait till I put my Vance and Hines on. I'm gonna blow your ears off.
But just come here and look. Don't they look a little?
I haven't tightened this up a little.
But look, don't they look uneven like? You know?
I mean, it's where you're comfortable.
Yeah, but you see what I'm saying?
It look like that one is tilted.
No, that one fit good. That one on.
Oh, maybe because the bike is leaning.
No,
Because you put them on backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, you got them on. Oh God, you got that one on backwards. Look at this. He got the chrome dog on controls out here.
Dirty, yeah. You doing the thing? They ain't even clean.
Man, they don't care on YouTube. They just want to see content.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah.
They gonna see it when it's cleaned up.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh.
See, I'm gonna stop telling him what I be calling him, telling him what all I'm doing on my bike. He ain't telling me nothing.
I don't see the details. You talking about content?
Look at this. Got the bag liners. He got the master mechanic out here, Dave. Dave won't even work on my bike. This is members only. He got me rushing to get my bike done. Dave, you come highly recommended, man. I'm just getting in the bike world, and a lot of people,
Everything you hear, man.
a lot of people recommend you, man.
You talking about don't believe everything you hear.
Over where I went to, even though they did a really good job on my bike and they got me out quick.
Yeah.
Like
A lot of people say, that Dave, he's an asshole.
Yeah.
oh yeah, everybody say that, but they say you good. Everybody say that, but they say you do good work, so that first part don't matter.
Oh.
As long as the
Well, I gotta get something out of it. The enjoyment of me being an asshole is kind of like makes my day.
it's like
Someone comes up here and goes, hey, hand me money. They go, you an asshole. Wait, didn't you do that this morning?
as long as the bike is right. That's all that's all I care about. I end up getting my rims put on. I was gonna come up here. I was gonna come up here, but Detroit Chopper called me out the blue like, hey, we got a spot. Get up here. I was like, I'm on my way. So I was up there the next morning. Before they opened, they got me in and out. I dropped the bike off at 9. They had me out by 1. He was calling me at 1. That quick.
Shit, you could have waited on.
I had money to make.
Okay, yeah. With money that long, you can't sit around.
I can't sit around. I don't have no time to be sitting. Working and riding a Harley, that's it.
I work, I ain't barely ride a Harley.
I still gotta get I gotta get a new crash bar.
What?
Cause my pod's not gonna fit on these right here, cause I got the special. It come with them little shorties. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get them on my bike. Oh yeah, that look good right there. That's better. Dugan put the peg on backwards.
So how much I owe you?
200. Did you do them? Yeah.
So y'all see it. Got some other little bikes up here. I think this is Sportster right here. This is a street glide, older one. Got the little pods on here. It's dirty, dirty, dirty. Street glide, street glide, street glide. Huh?
Hey, I gave him a hug. He told me to stop. We on camera.
Oh, I didn't get that on camera. No, let's get a redo. Let's get a redo.
He said good.
I didn't get that, man.
Hey, your door locked to get the hammer.
I think it is. I don't think I locked it.
Hey, what you said? You ain't get that on camera?
No, I ain't get that on camera.
He said stop. We on camera.
I wonder where he get these walls. I think I like my black walls better than these white walls,
Yeah,
man.
white wall. One thing about the white wall, it's cool, brand new and all that. It's too much detailing with them white walls.
Right.
As far as cleaning the back and all that, and then I'm looking at this. No disrespect on whoever bike that is. I think you should have had both of the same size of white wall.
Yeah.
The front and back instead of the big thick one in the back and the little one in the front.
This is
Had both little.
my tire low profile. That stripe is about the size of my sidewall. My junk low pro. Cause I'm a pro. I think this is an old CVO, ain't it? Oh no, I don't know what this is.
That's motorcycles, huh?
Oh yeah. I'm trying to.
Hey Dave, do this supposed to do this? Just look. This supposed to shake?
Heck no. He got you out here fraudulent. He about to say you broke it. Leave it alone.
This supposed to do this?
Well, yeah, it's supposed to move. I mean, it's got to move. If it doesn't move, it breaks. Okay, and it's got to have some movement. And you're supposed to be able to put a dime in between.
Okay.
And that tells you if you got the right adjustment.
All right, so everything right.
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta get these bars. The homie looking good out here. Look nice. So look, check it out. We got the doggone. Look at that.
Put on the AC and see how you feel. I'm about to make you change this handlebar. Once you see how that feels. Lift it up off the kickstand. I'm about to make you 18 boys. Go ahead, ride down the street. Go ahead. I'm about to make you change up.
I ain't never rode a street.
I know you about to ride a real one now.
This is my first time riding the
Yeah,
road.
okay, don't complain, just be careful. Yeah, you about to go on down the street. First time riding the road glide. What's up, brother? There you go. I'm convincing him to change them handlebars he got. In effect, first time riding the road glide, he used to street glide. That's how you do. If you want somebody to change up on something, let him ride what you got going on, and maybe you can convince them to change up a little bit. Cause he ain't never had no big handlebars on his motorcycle. So I'm letting him ride my road glide with some 18-inch handlebars on there, see if he changes his mind. He want to go with some 10s. I told him to go with something a little better that make him feel comfortable as far as him riding, sitting back. Maybe this gonna convince him. I told him to go right there to the corner. He done went home. Jokes for the cam. Here you come. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Look at it. He said it feels good.
Huh? I'll grab it here in a little bit.
Look at it. Look at it. Boy, it feel good. You look good on it.
That feels good. I like that. I like that.
One for the camera.